Seminole County has trained many of its staff to be a nationally certified Recreation and Parks Playground Safety Inspector, CPSI. So when we come in to check our playgrounds, we'll start with our swing sets and we'll start looking at our connection points to ensure that no bolts or anything has backed off. And we'll check all of our chains to ensure that no chains have been broken or have been compromised. We'll look for hazards that can happen out here, such as entanglements or head entrapments, body entrapments, crushed shear points, all kinds of things that would physically harm a child. We want to mitigate as much of that risk as possible. This one is looking as it should. It has a little bit of give and play for the kids when they're moving back and forth. It's not completely still where they break, and there are no loose components. These slides are in very good shape because they're relatively new. Our process is these playgrounds last 7 to 10 years long, and then we'll be replacing them just about every 7 to 10 years. This one was put in just last year, so it's one of our newest to our system, probably one of the finest. Our staff remains trained in all the newest techniques and abilities to keep these playgrounds safe for years to come.